Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Airbuds 6. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your headphones. You can do it in two ways. Firstly, you can go to Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone and current battery level is located right here. Next, you can connect charging case to charging. And now you can check the LED light and what it indicates. When the white light is still, it means that charging case is fully charged. If the white light is blinking, it means that the charging case is charging. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.